Eastern PA Weather 30 meteorologist Bobby Marters here with your outlook for May 13th, 2015. And we're going to have a bright sunny day today with low humidity, refreshing breeze, and actually going to be a little bit on the breezy side this afternoon. We'll have winds gusting as high as 30 miles per hour. So actually feel cooler. The air temperature, of course, the cold front came through yesterday, and temperatures today will be in many areas stuck in the 60s with that northwesterly flow, northwest wind coming in here. So actually feel a little bit cooler than the air temperature. It's going to feel like a shock. We've been stuck in the 80s for several consecutive days now. So the high pressure is moving in. And this will settle things down, I think, Wednesday night and again on Thursday. So once this high pressure is over top of us on Thursday, the winds will not be a factor at all, and actually temperatures will warm a little bit. Probably in some areas that were stuck in the 60s, except for far northern areas, will get up to at least the 70-degree mark on Thursday. So we go a little bit further than that, and we'll go into Thursday itself. See high pressure is moving down to the eastern Great Lakes here on Wednesday night. That's going to calm the winds down, and it's sitting right over top of us here on Thursday. And then as we get into later Thursday, it sinks off to the southeast a little bit. So the return flow is going to start coming in again from the south-southwest, and it's going to warm us up a little bit. Now, we were talking in previous videos here about a warm front coming in later on Friday night, which is going to warm up things on Saturday. Unfortunately, the trend of the models have been showing a decent amount of rain in the longer range and mid-range, and then backing away from it, and we need the rain, and this is very unfortunate. I hope this does not continue and we kind of go the other direction for a change, because we could certainly use the rainfall. As we get into Friday, we're actually going to have a mostly partly cloudy day. It's going to be a pretty nice day here on Friday. As we get to Friday evening, the warm front now is actually situated to our north. So we actually have a dry frontal passage coming through here now Friday instead of a wet one. So there goes your rain chances on Friday and Friday night. Looks like it just stays, probably partly to mostly cloudy, I should say. Maybe increasing clouds, just an increasing of clouds with that warm front, but does not look at the moment like we're going to have any rain, anything other than an isolated pop-up shower with it. That would favor our northern areas here on Friday night. But, this area could use it more so than the southern areas. So if this does happen, although it does show an isolated amount of rainfall here, it would be welcome. So we get into Saturday here. The day starts off okay, and then we get into scattered showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon. So this is now on the other side of the front. This is now a southerly, southwesterly flow we're going to have over the weekend. That means temperatures are going to go up, humidity is going to go up, instability is going to go up. So we'll have the opportunity on both Saturday and Sunday for some scattered afternoon showers and thunderstorms, but this will not be a widespread event. So somebody's going to make out on this, and somebody else is not. Hopefully, what's a little bit shown here isn't discontinued in future runs here, because we certainly can use the rain. As we get into Saturday night, you see it clears out. Here's early Sunday morning, bunch of nothing, and then we get into Saturday afternoon and evening, and you get those pop-up showers and thunderstorms once again. So it's kind of wash, rinse, repeat. Whatever you get Saturday, it looks like it's going to happen Sunday. Favor in the afternoon and evening for the showers and thunderstorms, but again, not very widespread. This is not a big event. See this out here? This is kind of a little bit more concentrated showers and thunderstorm activity. This is widely scattered. So again, so somebody's going to make out, somebody's going to be crying and whining that they're not getting any rain. I really wish I could help you out, because I hear it all the time, not just on the Facebook page or Twitter or several of our social media avenues, but we also hear it in person. Those that know I'm a meteorologist, and they ask me, when are we going to get some rain? We need some rain. You need to do something. I really wish I could. I would just call like you see it. If there's nothing there, there's nothing there. Could be a leftover shower here on Monday. It looks like most areas stay dry in our coverage area here on Monday. Now there's a little bit of a disagreement here with Monday. Monday's going to be a difficult forecast. So the models are showing a backdoor cold front coming in with this high pressure sitting over Maine, trying to build in to the west here. The GFS is showing this backdoor cold front too, but has more realistic temperatures that are more seasonable for this time of year. And when I say seasonable, I'm saying either side, maybe lower 70s as a general rule, within give or take a few degrees north and south here, but generally low 70s. But the European model, latest European model, was showing 50s, and struggling to get out of the 50s. I don't think that's correct. So we did side with the higher temperatures that are with the pattern, fitting the pattern. This is all a backdoor cold front again, with this high pressure moving in from New England here. So it would create an east wind here, so that could be a concern with clouds. So we'll have to kind of re-examine this as we get a little bit closer, because it's kind of at max range of our forecast that we do right now as far as detailed forecast. So it could certainly change. We saw how Friday changed from an opportunity for rain, and now we took it out of it. So in just a little bit of time, that can change, and it probably will change by the time we get to Monday. So just keep Monday circled as one of those days to come back and check back with us, and we'll give you better information as it becomes more clear. Otherwise, hope for rain this weekend. I know we might have some outdoor activities, but we need the rain, so you might be dodging some raindrops, at least in the afternoon and evening, and hopefully it helps with alleviate some of the drought concerns that are prevalent across our coverage area. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martich, and that is your outlook for May 13th, 2015. Have a great Wednesday.